My name is John Henderson. I am a project engineer and a contracting officer representative on the McGregor Lake Habitat Rehabilitation and Enhancement project. I am based out of the Eastern Area office in Winona, and I've been working there for almost 5 years now. Today we are at McGregor Lake A-Trip, and we are on a site visit to show all of our counterparts how the project is progressing. McGregor Lake A-Trip is a habitat and island enhancement project near Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin, as well as Marquette, Iowa. And the goal of this project is to not only increase the island heights to help decrease tree die-off due to recent flooding events, but also to increase the fisheries habitat in those areas by dredging those areas deeper. This project has currently used almost 5 million pounds of rock, as well as over 200,000 cubic yards of granular material, also known as channel maintenance material, that would have otherwise had to been taken off site and or put on various dredge material placement sites, and we were able to beneficially use it on this project. One of the rock structures found north of Highway 18, named R4, was actually created to help reestablish the bank line along that area. Another notable project feature that we've created and has sustained one high water event is project feature W1. We used almost 7,500 tons of riprap in that project feature, and the main goal of that feature was to seclude an area. By secluding it, we are able to enhance the waterfowl, the amphibian habitat in that area, and protect it from wave action. Our partners are really key to everything we do. All the people on these projects, we all have a common goal. We all want to do the most with the money that we have. A lot of these A-Trip contracts are really specialized construction. They aren't building a building, they aren't building a road. It takes floating excavators, tracked haul trucks, hydraulic dredges, barges with multiple excavators operating on them. I really think we're moving into a new era of work on the Mississippi River.